It is a message no American citizen expects to receive, a notice from the federal government telling them to leave the country. But that's exactly what happened to a woman right here in L.A. KCAL News reporter Gio Insignaris is live in Koreatown with her story. And Gio, she wasn't the only one to get the letter, right?
That's right, Pat. Good evening to you. Harriet Steele is an attorney who helps people with immigration issues here in Koreatown. She says the threatening notice that she and others received represents chaos on behalf of the current presidential administration, and it led to fear and confusion among her and some clients. Los Angeles immigration rights attorney Harriet Steele was stunned when she opened her email late at night and saw this. A message from the Department of Homeland Security. The first sentence says, quote, "It's time for you to leave the United States."
I think the language is quite stark and quite threatening, especially at the end, saying, "Do not attempt to remain in the United States. The federal government will find you."
Steele is a U.S. citizen, born and raised here in Los Angeles, and immediately feared the message was a mistake intended for one of her clients. It wasn't. Steele says the message says a lot about the Trump administration's current policies.
In this climate of fear, chaos, clients, their families feel afraid, and this makes their lives harder. This makes our work all the more challenging.
And Steele isn't alone. Immigration attorneys across the country also reportedly received the same notice in recent weeks. All American citizens, all mistakenly targeted.
If people are living in fear, if there's distrust between the government and communities, that ultimately doesn't make anyone safer.
For now, it's unclear just how many citizens have received these notices by mistake. But Steele says if the intent was to intimidate attorneys to stop representing migrants, she won't. We also reached out tonight to Homeland Security for comment on the situation and are waiting to hear back. Reporting from Koreatown, I'm Gio Insignaris, KCAL News.
Yeah, I can't wait to hear what they have to say. Thank you, Gio.